It hurts. Stop. My ovaries. They're ovulating and it hurts.
Stop. I want you to say it. Your face is red. You look like a tomato.
Take a bite. What are you doing?
Don't worry about it. What are you doing? Go get ice for your knee and take some ibuprofen for your ovaries.
They're ovulating and it hurts so bad.
Does it define the word ovulating?
It's when the egg drops. That's why I hate being a woman. I think I'm gonna get transgender.
I'm legit gonna cry right now.
Oh.
Your face is so ugly.
Alright,
On the screen.
bye. Turn it off. Take a bite. Let me see.